Hello everyone and welcome back to Animal Crossing New Horizons. In the last episode we got a new neighbour, well not a new neighbour, but they went to the campsite and they have, pretty much, they're going to move in. They're going to move in on the beach. There's not really a good spot for them to go right now because I haven't planned anything out, but pretty good, making some good progress. I've come up with some new ideas for when I'm going to fully decorate the island, which is good. So now, I need to go donate this fossil. Well, I need to go assess it, donate it. Then we're going to do some diving today. We're going to hopefully, get the, what's it called now? Get that lobster. We're going to hopefully get it. And if I can't get it, then I don't know what else to do. Right. What I may also do is I might try and see what the creatures are for next month and see if I can get them this month. Right. After some consideration, this is a left megalocyte. A left megalocyte, quite remarkable indeed. If only I could take it off your hands. We already have one, so I must return it to your care. Well, might I help you with anything else? I'm fine, Blathers. Jolly good. Please enjoy the rest of your visit. Well, I'm going to go sell this fossil to Nook's Cranny, and then I'm going to take these fish to Nook's Cranny as well, sell them off, earn some money, and then be very happy, and hopefully get that bridge done as well. It would be nice if I could get the bridge done at least this week. I can't imagine I will, though. I'm also going to catch these snowflakes, because I need them. I need a lot. I need 88, and I have 60-something. So it would be nice if I could get some more. I believe there are also spring items for when it turns spring, so it'll be good to get them. Right, no, I'm gonna leave that tree branch there. I don't need it. Right, Nook's Cranny. Hello, little raccoon goblins. I have something for you. I have things to sell. Welcome, what do you need today? I want to sell, of course. What exactly are you offering? I'm offering a dead animal, a butterfly, some fish. That's what I'm offering. Look at the fine things you brought in today. Allow me just to run the numbers. Alright, 5,420, that's pretty good, but I think that price is mainly that because of the fossil, but I'm not bothered. I'm gonna also arrange my inventory because I don't know why I've not done it yet. But I have, so be happy. Be happy I've done it. I wish there was a way of setting it so your tools could stay at the bottom. Not the bottom, the top, or wherever you wanted them. Right. Oh, snowflake. There we go. I also don't need to water the flowers. I don't know if I watered them in the last episode or not, but yeah, I don't need to water the flowers today because the snow is doing it for me, so thank you very much, snow. Right, yeah. So here's where our neighbour's going to move in. I know, not very good, but it's better than nothing. In I go. In I go to dive. Right. So there's already one thing here. It is moving, but it's not moving very fast, so it isn't what I need. It's a sea star. Not what I need. Anything else? Anything? Oh, there's there's something over here and then there's something to the right. I'll go get this one. And then I'll get the one on the right. Right, I got sea anemone. Oh, there's one right there. I guess I'm just going up this way then. Right. Oh, I've already got one of you. I don't need any more. So I'm actually going to check. I'm going to check my how many sea creatures I've caught. 84. Okay. So I need to make that 16, and then hopefully, I'm hoping that when it gets to 16, the lobster should begin to spawn in. I think it's every 20 creatures you catch, a new one gets unlocked. Or a new set of one gets unlocked. Could be wrong, though. Right, I've got a sea slug. It's kind of salty about that. But yeah, I think 100 is the max that it goes to. So hopefully I'm right. You're definitely not a lobster. You're a scallop. But I'm going to give you to Pascal, who's right there. Hey man, about that scallop of yours, can I have it? Here you go. Well, thanks for your generosity. Since you were cool, left you something you'll dig. While I'm at it, let me lay some truth on you, the deep kind. Feel this. Nothing is impossible except for ignoring your pores when there's sticky, man. Try it sometimes. Stick that in your skillet and let it simmer. Yeah, today's a good day. Right. Well, can I follow him? Oh, I thought I could follow him. I guess not. Alright, what's this? Mermaid flooring. I'm going to go learn that, actually. I'm going to learn it just so I can get it out of my inventory as well. Hello, Mr. Fish. Ooh! Bottle. Yes, please. Alright, message bottle. Iron frame. I learned a DIY recipe for an iron frame. Hello, Bangle. How are you? Mermaid flooring? And then a DIY recipe for some mermaid flooring. Alright, let's have a look at what I've... Let's have a look at them and see what it is that I've got. That actually looks quite nice, to be fair. That also looks really nice. I need pearls, and I don't have any of them. I only have one. I have one pearl. And I got it, like, the first time I got DIY. Like, I got it not long after it. Right. Are you something valuable? No, you're a sea star. I don't need sea stars. I need lobster. I mean, I got the abalone. I remember I was talking about the abalone. And I got that, like, instantly. Which I'm surprised. Oh, a pearl. I found a pearl. Could today get any more pearl effect? Really, game? Really? Right. Hoping to get some more pearls. It would be nice to find some more. You're not a pearl. You're a sea slug. I don't need you. Right. Anything else? Also, this is a quick thing I want to ask, right? Am I the only person who does this? So when I have, like, food, I've started to prefer having the sauce all over my food instead of it being in, like, a pot. Unless it's pizza. Like, I don't know, really. I don't know, like, so... Before I started recording this, right, I had some wedgies and some pizza, right? I had some wedgies and some pizza. You are quite fast. Wow, wow, okay, I think you might be the lobster, actually. Wow, that may be the lobster. Come on! I'm so close to it. I've got it. Please be the lobster. Oh, no. You're just a snow crab. Okay. I thought that was the lobster. But yeah. Before I started recording the first episode of this playthrough, I had pizza and some wedgies. But I didn't know where to put the sauce. Because obviously I didn't want mayonnaise with my pizza. Because it was a Chicago Town one. I didn't want to do it. So I just put the sauce all over my wedgies, and it was I really liked it. It was better than just dipping it in. So Am I normal for that? Like, do other people do that as well? So I feel like some people are going to judge me for that. Well, alright. Maggie, what are you doing? What are you doing? The dog's just, like, trying to get comfy on my bed. Right. Note miles. How many? 92. I need to catch 8 more. Do I have the space in my inventory? Oh, I most certainly do. I certainly do. You look new. You look like a new butterfly. I think I've already got you. But I'm just gonna make sure. Oh, there's a balloon. Oh yeah, I've already got you. Right. Right, balloon. Please be something good. Pot rack. Oh, right, okay. That could probably go in a kitchen. Or something, I don't know. Right. Right. Oh, another thing. It looks like it's moving. It is moving. Oh, it's a scallop. Right. Imagine if I just kept getting DIYs. Like, I don't know. I think the last time I went diving, I got like 10 scallops. So I'd have almost all the mermaid stuff. I think this is a pearl, actually. No, it's not. It's a sea slug. Right. Not what I was looking for, but nevertheless. Oh, okay, an octopus. Can give 4 hugs at once. It can. How many am I at now? I need 5 more. Right. I also want to point out, it must be freezing for my character right now. He's in the ocean in winter. That's got to be freezing. And there's a creature down here. Oh. I got an oyster. Right. Oh, there's something over here as well. So I need 3 more. 3 more things, and then I should be A-okay. I think. Do I need 3 more? I've forgotten already. Yeah, I need 3 more. Okay. That's when the lobster should hopefully spawn in. Because I'll be at 100 then. I am going to search. I am going to look at the one for fish and bugs. And see what I'm at for them. Because I'm going to have to really get to it. Right. Okay, so I'm at 84 for that. 40. Okay. Yeah, so bugs are definitely going to be a lot more difficult to get. But fish I am actually making pretty good progress on. So I'll allow that. How much space do I have left? Okay, I can catch 3 more and I'm going to go sell it all. Something good? That's not something good, game. It's not what I asked for. I wanted something good, not shit. Right. Oh. You're moving. I think you're a scallop. Yep. You are, in fact, a scallop. So I'm going to start swimming over this way. And then hopefully have alright. Right, there we go. I've got it. And it's this shit. Did I catch anything new? No, I didn't. It was all stuff I've got before. Alright. Guess I'll go sell this at Nook's Cranny. But now... Yeah, I'm at 101 now. Okay. So, I should hopefully now actually have... I should hopefully now, like, be able to get the lobster. I'm hoping. I really do hope. And I hope it isn't 250. Because I will be here for a very long time. I don't want to be. It would be nice to get it all done. It would be very nice to get it all done. Alright, Timmy. I want to sell. What exactly are you offering? Right, you. Right. 22,000. I'll take it. Right. Now I'm going to go back and pray that I find the lobster. Please, game. Please. I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it up, right? Where is it? Where is lobster? Right. Right. Time of year, November to February, right? Time of day, all day. Right. Well, that's in City Folk. New Leaf and Pocket Cat. Right, in New Horizons. Right, time of year, December to January, and then April to June. Right, and then time of day, all day. Spawn requirement, catch 40 total sea creatures. So I didn't need 100. I didn't need 100. I just needed... Oh my god. Honestly, game. I mean, hey, I got a Dungeness crab, but still. I needed 40. Then where is it? Why am I not getting it? Wikipedia, right? It basically, it says the spawn requirement. The fuck? I mean, it comes back in April. So that's not that bad. It does come back this year. So if I don't get it, I still have another shot. I still want to get it though. But I'm not finding it. I'm just not finding it. Like, why, game? Why you do this to me? Wait, so hang on. Does this mean it like for everything? Like, hang on. I'm gonna do a bit of some testing, right? So let's just... Alright, the great white shark in the game. Alright, Wikipedia. Alright, that's in Wild World, that's in Seafa, that's in New Leaf, in Pocket Camp. In New Horizons, I need to catch a total of 50 fish for it to spawn in. So, I probably didn't need to get 100, I just... Fucking hell. Well, I guess I just need to keep going then. Need to keep catching. Sea cucumber. I don't want your... that's just a sea bass right there. I don't care about that. I don't care about you, sea bass. I want a fucking lobster. That's what I want. hang on. Alright, let's search abalone. Right. Catch total 20 sea creatures. Fuck it. I wish I knew that it would do this. Fucking hell. Right, well, I do believe as well, I think it was mentioned yesterday, the fishing tourney is tomorrow. So that will actually give me a reason to do more fishing and increase my my catch limit, which I'm happy about. Very happy about. Please be a lobster. Please be a lobster. You're not a lobster. You're a sea star. I don't need sea stars. I need a lobster. A lobster? No. You're a fish by the pier, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Now, you could actually be very good. So I'm going to catch you. Because now, there's a chance it is the sea bass, I know. But I still want it. Right. Oh! Yes, I caught an oarfish. Right. Well, glad I got that. So, let me search the blue marlin on here. If it loads. Hang on, right. Catch 50. Huh. I mean, yeah, it is a good thing that some of these fish do come back. I am glad that they do come back. But still. You're not a lobster, you are acorn barnacle. I need lobster. I have 21 more days. I have 3 weeks to get you. Oh, fucking sea cucumber. Stop it. Right. I'm gonna do some research. Right. If I go on to right January sea creatures. Right. Leaving after January. In the Northern Hemisphere, because that's where I am. Where the fuck is it? Right. Large, fast, all day. And it's leaving after January. I literally cannot find it. Like, I can't find it. Which is fucking annoying. I wish I could, though. Oh, my mother's home. I've just learnt some valuable life lessons on how to save a life. You should crack a rib. If you don't crack a rib, then you're not doing it right when you're doing CPR. So remember that. The Gozzy Quest channel is now a medical support channel. Oh, alright. balloon. Right. Look how many sea cucumbers I've got. Cute sneakers. No, I don't want them, so they're getting sold. They're getting sold instantly. Because I don't want them. Yeah, it's a snowflake. Right. Oh, that's a fish. Probably needed it, but oh well. Alright. Alright, where is the lobster? Alright, I can catch 5 more things. 5 more things, and then if I can't find it, I may just do it off camera. Because there's nothing else that I can really fucking do. Right. Great. Seaweed. Just what I wanted. I've always wanted some seaweed. Right. Dive down. Come on. Oh. It's moving. Oh, it's an octopus. Fuck's sake. The fact that I didn't even need 100, I needed 40. And I'm still not finding it. Why you do this to me, game? The cat has just farted on my fucking window. Why, Thea? Why? She's horrible to me. She's farting in my room constantly. Alright, 2 more. Two more. Come on, game, be nice to me. Oh, right. Oh, you're not one. You're a scallop, I think. No, you're an oyster. I don't need an oyster, I need a scallop. Right. Are you a pearl? No, you're a sea slug. Right, well, I mean, I couldn't really get anything else. I got an oarfish, I'm happy about that. That's quite a rare fish, so I'm happy I've got that. I know I have time left to get the lobster. I've got a lot of time left, but, like, I need it now. I need the lobster now. Like, I don't need it another time. I need it now. Right, Timmy and Tommy, I have things for you. Of course, what are you offering? Right. That. I'm not going to sell you. I'm going to donate you. I'm going to keep the pot rack. Damselfly, I'm going to get rid of the cute sneakers. I don't want them. Hopefully that's enough. 13,000, okay, that's pretty good. But yeah, I think I'll end the video there. I know, obviously, I didn't get the lobster, and all I've done this video is getting lobsters. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next video, when hopefully, I can get a lobster. If I can't, I may just do it off camera.